Recovering deleted messages on Deezer can be challenging, but there are steps you can take to try and retrieve them. Follow this guide to explore your options. Step 1. Check the app settings. Open the Deezer app and navigate to the settings menu. Look for any options related to message history or chat settings that might allow you to view or restore deleted messages. Step 2. Review archive messages. Some messaging platforms have an archive feature. Check if Deezer has an archive messages section where your deleted messages might be stored temporarily. Step 3. Contact Deezer support. If you cannot find your messages, reach out to Deezer's customer support. Provide them with details about the messages you want to recover, and they may assist you in retrieving them. Step 4. Check linked accounts. If you have linked your Deezer account to other social media or messaging platforms, check those accounts. Sometimes, messages can be synced or backed up on those platforms. Step 5. Regular backups. To prevent future loss, consider regularly backing up your messages or important data associated with your Deezer account. This can help you avoid similar issues in the future. In conclusion, while recovering deleted messages may not always be possible, these steps can help you explore your options. Always remember to back up important information to avoid losing it in the future.